Dan with Behringer, introducing Brains. Brains is a multi-engine oscillator module for Eurorack, with 20 synthesis engines covering everything from percussion, leads, basses, drones, drums and soundscapes. Fitted with an OLED oscilloscope, Brains allows you to visually see your waveforms whilst you're dialing in your sound. So let's just get straight to it and let's listen to how the first 10 synth engines sound. So now let's take a listen to the 10 engines in the percussion and noise bank. With Brains giving us an FM drum synth engine, let's see how Brains can expand your drum machine's palette of sounds by hooking up a simple trigger output into Brains trigger input. As well as having hands-on control of additional parameters such as timbre, FM and morph levels, Brains is ready to patch into any Eurorack setup for control via external CV. With the welcomed addition of new waveforms, an OLED oscilloscope, easy access USB on the front panel for firmware updates, Brains brings to the table everything you need and more, all at a price that welcomes everybody into the world of Eurorack. So whether you're just starting out and deciding whether to jump down the modular rabbit hole, or if you're already tangled up in patch cables, Brains is just simply a no-brainer.